Hi everyone, my name is Arslan. I'm studying at İzmir Katip Çelebi University. I will tell you about my project, Railway Management. Also, I will mention about that includes scenario, how to works and code part. In a situation where there are level crossing and pedestrian crossing, I try to provide cars, trains and pedestrian traffic safely. Now let's see how it works and simulation. There is a main board is here that includes PIC and motor controllers. This is my PIC. This is control panel. This is keypad. You can choose modes with this. There are three buttons. Ambulance interrupt button, crash interrupt button and reset button. This is other components like sounder. Display panel is here. These are the traffic lights for cars. Barrier 1 is here, barrier 2 is here. Train lights 1 is here and train lights 2 is here. This is pedestrian crossing and pedestrian traffic lights. And here, same things. Okay. There is a two mode, normal mode and freight train mode. Now I will choose normal mode now. Normal mode selected. Normal mode is passengers train is here. Car road is open, don't use the crosswalk. This is traffic lights for a car and green lights now. After a few times later, cars slow down, train is near, and car road is closed, pedestrian can cross. As you can see, barrier is closing now, and also barrier 2 is closing. Pedestrians can cross now. Train is crossed, cars be ready, and car road is open, don't use the crosswalk. This is a loop actually. Now I want to show second mode. This is freight train mode. We assume freight train is here. Freight train needs more time for crossing. I choose 2. Freight train mode is selected. Now, actually again, same process, but red lights for cars a little bit more blinking. Freight train is crossing, pedestrian can cross now. As you can see, pedestrians can cross now because train is crossing now. Freight train is crossed, cars ready and cars can pass and barrier is opening, and I will show interrupts. Firstly, ambulance interrupt. When I press the ambulance interrupt, all lights goes red and car traffic lights red blinking, and play ambulance sound with sounder. Ambulance is crossed and system is returned normal process. Now I will show crash interrupt now. Actually, crash interrupt likes ambulance interrupt, but there is a difference like that. All traffic lights goes red, but car lights are yellow blinking now, and there is an there is two warning LEDs. They will blinking. Okay. Okay. System is return normal process again. Okay, I want to show my codes. These are libraries. LCD configurations is here. This is keypad configuration. These are definitions of timer and keypad. These are all definitions. For example, car red lights define port B2. Now I want to go main function. Main function is here. These are for interrupts configuration. This is for sounder. And this code is run start function, run keypad function, and run wait function for system start. Start function is here. These are the lights modes. All of them is off. This is digital input and output port A. These are LCD outputs and barriers outputs. This is port B. Ambulance interrupt button is here, and crash interrupt button is here. Port C. These are keypad inputs. This is empty. Pedestrian red lights, pedestrian green lights, and crash warning lights here. These are empty. This is sounder output. Keypad init is here. This is wait function. For a start mode, ambulance interrupt is here. Car red 1, pedestrian red 1, train red 1, and sound play. and delay, and carry rate go, goes off, delay and carry rate goes on. And this is crash interrupt. Again, same process like ambulance interrupt, but light is changing. This is main interrupt part. This command check ambulance button, clear interrupt, clear ports, and run ambulance interrupt. So when I press the ambulance interrupt button, uh, this is check the situation and run ambulance interrupt function. Same things for crash interrupts. Keypad definitions here, and these are menus and wrong choice. Freight train mode is here. First status, runs, run this. Second status, third status, fourth status. This is choice part and normal mode. If you are choosing normal mode, this part is running. First status, second status, third status, and fourth status. Thank you for listening.